Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Asana detailed guide step by step clearly. To start budgeting with Asana, first, log in to your Asana account. If you don't have an account, create one by following the prompts on the Asana website. Once logged in, navigate to your workspace or project where you'd like to start your budget. Click on the plus New Project button to create a new budget project. Choose a blank project or use a template that fits your budgeting needs. Name your project clearly, for example, 2023 budget. After creating the project, add sections to organize your budget categories. Consider including sections like income, expenses, and savings. In the income section, list all your sources of income. For each entry, create a task and input the income amount in the description. Next, move to the expenses section and list all your anticipated expenses. Again, create tasks for each expense item and detail the amount in the description. Include due dates for each task, reflecting when you'll incur or count it. In the savings section, create tasks that represent your savings goals for the year. For each task, specify the target amount and due date for achieving that goal. To keep track of overall budget health, consider adding a summary task. Within the summary task, you can calculate total income, total expenses, and net savings. As you track your finances, update the tasks regularly to reflect actual amounts. Utilize Asana's comment feature for any notes or changes related to specific budget items. Leverage tags for different categories of expenses or income for easy filtering. Consider using custom fields to track additional information, such as payment status or priority. Invite relevant team members or family members to collaborate if applicable. Review your budget regularly, adjusting tasks and amounts as necessary. Use Asana's reporting features to visualize your spending trends over time. With these steps, you will have a functional budget set up in Asana to help manage your finances effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.